The next step is the conductor repair. Prior to the conductor repair, the crew gets the insulated jumper cables ready for installation. To achieve the desired length, they use a connector link to secure the two cables and wrap it securely in a rubber blanket. Next, the crew cleans the conductor with a wire brush and then connects both ends of the jumper cable assembly. Now, they are ready to repair the damaged portion of the conductor. Wire grips and the hoist system are installed and the proper tension is set to allow for the work to be done. Before cutting the conductor, the crew cleans it with a wire brush. The cut is made with an insulated wire cutter, and a splicing sleeve is placed on both ends of the conductor. After installing the splicing sleeve, the crew begins to remove all insulating equipment from the conductors, starting with the hoist and wire grips. After this, all rubber cover-up is removed and the crew finishes the job.